This is episode 1 of Learning Ethical Hacking. In this episode, I will show you how to install Parrot OS. First, open your browser. Then search Parrot OS in your browser. So I choose Parrot OS because it's very lightweight and also focus on security and privacy. Click download and choose your category. Since I'm going to install it in bare metal, I'm going to choose live. Now choose your edition. So there's 3 edition: HTB, Home, and Security. HTB is customized with Hack the Box, while Home is for daily use, and Security is like Home but it comes with a penetration test and red team operation. So I choose security since I'm using this laptop for daily at the same time. I want to explore the tools it comes with. Click AMD 64, then after that click download. Now let's convert our USB into bootable USB. I got 2 options: use Balena or use Rufus. Since Balena is already installed to my computer, I'm going to use Balena instead of Rufus. Install and open your Balena app. Click Flash from File and choose the Parrot OS that we download earlier. Then click Select Target and choose the USB that you want to convert into bootable USB. Then click Flash and wait. Once it finished, plug in the USB and open the BIOS. In my case, press enter. And also, in my case, I can just press F12 and boot in the USB. Now press install Debian and set up your laptop or your device. Now click finish and restart your laptop. Unplug the USB to make sure it will boot into your hard drive or SSD.